Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching your Mind Journal and committing to one short entry now. Set a 5-10-minute timer so you avoid overthinking. Once open, add a header with date, mood percentage, and a single focus keyword so context sticks. Then answer 3 compact prompts: what happened, why it matters, and one small next action. This minimal structure gives you momentum. It prevents perfectionism and ensures you have a usable record you can build on consistently. Once the basics are done, expand into 3 short sections: observations, feelings, and insights, so your notes stay organized. You should tag entries with simple categories like work, relationships, or health to make retrieval fast later. Next, convert one insight into a concrete half-hour action you can try within 48 hours. This closes the loop between reflection and change. Make sure to write one sentence explaining why that action matters. To finish, summarize the entry in one sentence and set a follow-up date. This creates accountability and a habit loop. If you get stuck, do a 5-minute free write or pick a prompt from a small bank to restart flow. Prompts remove the pressure to be clever. Finally, back up weekly by exporting entries to TXT or PDF so nothing is lost. If syncing fails, retry after toggling network or export locally. That fix resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.